Surprise, everybody! So now you can get the cutest mug that I designed myself for your favorite cook over in my gift shop, Cooking with Regina. This is a wonderful gift for a grandmother that enjoys cooking and you enjoy her labor of love in that kitchen, or for your favorite hostess when you've been invited over for dinner to show your appreciation for all the hard work she put into cooking for you. It's a wonderful gift for a Mother's Day or a birthday present. Make sure you go check it out. I feel like you will really like this mug. The caption on it is, "The secret ingredient is love." This would make a wonderful birthday gift, Mother's Day gift. Just give it to your favorite cook. She or he will really enjoy using this mug. On the back, it has the cutest design of a cooking pot with vegetables at the top. And then on the front, it shows a woman or mother at the stove cooking with the caption, "The secret ingredient is love." You can get it over on my website, Cooking with Regina. The link will be in the comments section. And I hope you have a great day. God bless you, and I'll see you later.